Everyone, of course, was very disappointed that the Queen was prevented by a chill from being present. Hastings this year is the scene of the Battle of the Town Criers, organised by the News of the World. Assembled to see fair play were the mayors of the Cinque Ports, the local Queen, and the local MP, Major Cooper Key, and his wife. The judges were incarcerated in a tent so as not to be influenced by the competitors' good looks, but only by their delivery.
Oh, yes! Oh, yes! Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah! Ah, yes! Ah, yes! I have the honor to proclaim God save the Queen! Oh, yes!
In the event, the judges voted to claim Mr. Ben Jonson of Fowey.
Oh, yes! Oh, yes! Oh, yes! God save the Queen!